Good morning, Tucker. How are you doing this morning? Today, while you're in your feeding bucket, I'm going to clean your tank. Tucker likes it when his tank is clean. You know what it feels like when your room is nice and clean. You want to show it off to everybody. You want to spend time in it. It takes a lot of work to get it clean, but once it's done, it's worth it. Okay, Tucker. You are swimming around a lot. I wonder if I should rearrange your rocks too. Do you ever rearrange your room at home? Maybe you move your bed to a different place, or your dresser, or maybe you just move your toys to different areas of the room. Make it look different. Well, we are going to do that today for Tucker. Okay, everybody, have a good day. And if you want to see the different steps and how Mommy cleans Tucker's tank, then you can click on the different videos for that. Be sure to like and subscribe. Have a great day, everybody.